We had a nice up move with a signal here, breakout of the signal candle, a bounce off the 20 EMA here. Beautiful backdoor here. We have signals here that are breakout of the previous low. This is all 5-minute NQ. Let's see if we get a breakout of the signal candle. I'll set my order here for breakout of the signal candle low. Market has been in a nice down move since pre-market.
Order filled.
All right, we're filled. I'm going to manually move my ATM or my stop. Got to be okay with this. If you're trading a large amount of contracts, can't freak out. I'm going to come in. And that's the move I'm waiting for right there. Then I may get stopped out. I'm keeping it tight,
Stop filled.
and that's fine. That was one trade, one move, 10 contracts, lots of patience. I mean, we're in a big downtrend. The big pullback, a bounce here, a backdoor, a signal here. I did not even take the backdoor. That was just breakout of the signal candle on this down move, which could go all the way down to here. And if it does not, that could be a signal for this down move to be over. Okay, just as expected, price did drop and we broke the previous low here. This candle took a long time to happen for me, so I was pretty tight on my stops. I was hoping that it would really drop when I was in the trade. Now we'll have a backdoor with two other arrows here, Ultimate AI and backdoor. Breakout of the previous candle high. If you didn't have the backdoor here, you'd have the Ultimate AI breakout of the previous, and we'll see how far this takes us back up this way.
Order filled.
I'll manually move the stops just like I used to.
Stop
Keeping it
filled.
tight, that's fine. I think it has more upside.
Order filled.
Keeping it tight again because we are in the downtrend,
Stop filled.
but I do think it has more upside. Now I don't want to chase it now. If it pulls back more, I may take it one more time.
Order filled.
All right, last time I'm going to take this. Stopped out or not.
Stop filled.
I took that a few times with all contracts sizes today are 10 contracts, $4,000 so far. You've seen everything I've taken so far today. And this was a nice trade. I could have held it longer, but I do what I do because the way I am. So we missed this backdoor here. We did take the breakout of the signal candle here, and we took the backdoor breakout of the previous high right here. Two trades. Well, two setups with multiple trades in each one. This is the 5-minute NQ West Coast time. Okay, we could have a breakout of the signal candle.
Order submitted.
Do I want to take this? Here's a signal candle, breakout of the signal candle. We
Order
still
filled.
have room to move to the upside. I'm going to manually slide my stops. But we are in a big downtrend, so you really got to be selective of what trades you're going to take.
Stop
Okay, I
filled.
did take that breakout of the signal candle. I'm up 5,400 using 10 contracts, manually doing it the way I usually do it. Great signal here, great signal here, 5-minute NQ. We're going to, price is trying to make its way back up to the blue line here, the VWAP. And just very smooth movement today on this NQ. Very smooth, very nice, easy to trade. Okay, market's still going higher. Could have got more on that trade. Do I care? No, I don't. Doing just fine. I expect a bounce off when I get into this area, and I would like to go short along with this nice downtrend that we have today. So I'm going to wait for that. Okay, this was rather long candle, so if this one breaks through the bottom, it's going to be on a really big candle, and it may not have a lot more to go on this 5-minute candle. I'm hoping that this remains red and is a small candle then I can sell the breakout of this small candle, which would have a lot bigger pop once it broke through. Right now, if it breaks through here, it had to travel a long way to get there. I will take it if it happens, but I prefer for this candle to just close red, close small. I'll move my sell right up underneath it and then get a bigger pop. Okay, it did close as a small red. However, it is an inside bar, so it dipped below the high here, which could mean that it's going to have some going power to the long side. I'm ready for the downside, but if it breaks the top here, that's also a good trade for going long. Right now, this will be a backdoor breakout of the signal candle for AI and backdoor for the backdoor. I'm hoping for a bounce off of all this.
Order filled.
Don't want to get stopped out early. Waiting for a bigger move here. Now I don't care if I get stopped out, but I hope it keeps going.
Stop filled.
All right, 5,800 so far. Do I get back in on this one?
Order filled.
Okay, I'm already on the next candle. I usually don't like to wait for the next candle.
Order filled.
Okay, I didn't get out in time on that sell that I took and ended up losing money, got stopped out, but now it broke through the top, so I got in on that. Okay, we're still in this long trade. This is a price action slingshot if you have the silver strategy, or it is a backdoor that we took as we had a high, a dip down. We sold here twice. I tried to get back in on a second time and lost money, and now I'm in on this long trade. It's going to bounce. It's going to have a hard time here for a minute, and then hopefully it just takes off. Hitting these lines here will give it a hard time. I did lose quite a bit on that trade before, almost 2 grand or so, but now I'm back up. just want to make sure I get back what I
Stop
lost.
filled.
Okay, I'm right at where I left off. I had that loss. We came back with this backdoor. I got everything back, minus a few bucks maybe. I'm not exactly sure where we're at. We're at 5,800 something. So now we're back in the game again. I had a almost $1,000, $2,000 loss here, but so what? Back in the game. So far, all we done today is 5 minute NQ. You've seen every trade I've taken today. Here we are on the 1 minute. 1 minute backdoor,
Order filled.
1 minute breakout of the previous low. Now the 1 minute moves super fast. This will be my last trade of the day for sure.
Stop filled.
And I am stopped out. You've seen every trade I've taken this morning. Wins and losses. I'm done at 6,700. I'm very happy with that. Maybe I'll take this really quick breakout. Nope, I'm going to be done. It's a breakout of the previous low with the Ultimate AI arrow. I'm not taking it. Breakout of the signal candle. It was a good trade too, but I'm done. I already said I was done. Stay done. Good trades today. Hope you enjoyed it. You've seen every trade I've taken, wins and losses.